Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to paint these beautiful flower with the help of Dom's watercolor cakes. So let's start. I am going to paint that flower with purple color. Make the sides little darker and in the center we will make it lighter. Okay. We will use a little bit of white here. Again, take up some purple color. And paint it. Okay. Okay, now we'll do the inner petals. These will be more lighter than the previous one. For that, I'm going to take white color again to make it more lighter. Okay. It's perfectly done. Again, take up some white color and just paint it. Again, take up some white color and give it a shading. Okay, now I'm going to paint the stem with green color. Paint half of the portion of grass with dark green color and the other half with light green. Will give a very nice effect to our painting, right? This is looking so beautiful and it's so satisfying. You can do it whenever you feel bored, lazy, or you want to uplift your mood. You can do these kind of paintings. These will instantly lift up your mood and make you happy and relaxed. You will feel so much relaxed. This painting process is so relaxing. Also, it's so easy that anybody can do this. Anybody can paint like this. Just enjoy the process. Wow, this grass is looking so beautiful, right? Okay, now make some more grass strokes like this to make it more beautiful. Okay, now take up some red color. And it's done. So friends, our beautiful lavender flower painting is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.